Do meetings keep getting interrupted by calls or notification? Here's how to use the meeting routine on your Galaxy S25 Ultra to stay focused. To do so, open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Adaptive Routine section, select Meeting. Here you will see preloaded condition and action. In the If section, the routine is set to start manually. That means you will activate it whenever a meeting begins. In the Then section, sound mode and volume is set to mute, and the not disturb is turned on. In the When Routine Ends section, both settings will return to how they were before the routine started. At the bottom, you will see three icons: Edit to change or add option, Share to send the routine to others, and Save to keep it in your list to use every time. With meeting routine, next time you are in a meeting, just start the routine and enjoy a distraction-free session. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.